So when starting an Instagram theme page, by far the most popular niche is definitely meme pages. That's because there's so many meme pages on Instagram that are way past 10k and they grow really fast. And honestly, they're probably the easiest to grow also. You can get a meme page from 0 to 10,000 followers in less than a month if you try all the strategies I'm going to be telling you guys in this video and my previous meme page videos. So I think I'm going to title this video something like meme page tips because I want to give you guys the best tips and best ways to grow your own meme page if you're thinking about starting one. So before we get started with this video, guys, only like 10% of you guys that watch my videos are subscribed. So make sure you guys subscribe right now because it really helps me a lot. And if you're just watching the video, maybe give it a like. And if you just leave off the video, I get a view, which views are nice, but also I'd really like the subscribers. If everyone who watches my videos was already subscribed, we'd probably already be monetized and making in some bankroll. And as soon as I get monetized, you know, everything I make is just going to be reinvested into the channel. So I really hope you guys subscribe. Make sure you put that little red button into consideration. Okay, enough with the jokes. Let's go ahead and get started with the meme page tips. So the first tip, I guess you can call it a tip, but it's just an error I see a lot of meme pages do. And I've sold a couple meme pages in the past and people are doing this and then they come back to complain to me saying that their engagement is going down and they're losing followers and they don't know how to keep them up and they think it's my fault for some reason, but even though I was doing the right thing and now they're losing strategies and then they want a refund or something like that. And that error is just posting too much. Like for example, they'll just pick like one time during the day, like maybe 11 o'clock in the morning or something, and they'll just post 20 posts at 11 o'clock in the morning. Like, are you kidding me? If your followers are liking your posts, they're not going to see all of your posts in their feed and they're not going to like every single one of them. Why would you in your greatest mind want to post that many times that fast? If you guys do this, this is constructive criticism. Don't take any offense to what I'm saying. Just make sure you fix it because posting that many times in the same second is a really bad idea and you don't want to do it. Even though I was probably exaggerating a little bit a second ago, basically what I mean is someone's going to post at like 11 o'clock a.m. for example, then wait 30 seconds and just post like 2 more posts. They're just going to save a lot of posts and post them all at one time during the day when you could easily just post one at 11 o'clock, wait 2 hours, post one at 1 o'clock, then post 4 o'clock, and that's good enough. You don't have to post 10 posts in a day. You don't even have to post 5. You can literally post 2 or 3 posts a day and your engagement will stay up and you'll even probably gain more followers than you were. I know some other YouTubers probably say this, but posting more does not mean more likes and more followers. If you guys post more, it's just going to ruin your engagement and they're going to go down. That's probably the worst thing you can do at all. So this next tip is going to bring down your profit margin from your meme page a little lower, but it's going to save the success of your meme page and make it get a lot bigger, and then the prices will go up more for shoutouts and stuff, and so it'll eventually even out as long as you follow this tip. And that's, don't really sell shoutouts that much. I know people buy shoutouts on meme pages all the time, not really mattering about the size. I bet if you have a decently sized meme page, you've probably sold 1 or 2 shoutouts in your life on the page, and what you want to do is not post that many. I also see some meme pages in my feed, in my explore page, that will post like 10 stories in a row just saying follow this person, now go follow this person, now go follow this person. And it's not really good because if people are paying you for shoutouts and you get like 10 shoutout requests in a day, I wouldn't do them all in the same day. I'd recommend maybe do 2, max 3 shoutouts a week, because if people go on your stories looking for cool memes or something they actually followed the page for, and they just see a bunch of shoutouts and people paying you to go post their cringy ads on your story, they're probably gonna unfollow you. I've seen people lose a lot of followers because they're posting way too many shoutouts. And this tip also goes for if you're trying to pay people to promote your meme page. If you go on their post, before you buy a shoutout from a big meme page that you think you're gonna get a lot of followers for, make sure you check like their 5 recent posts and their story, because if they've already posted like 5 stories that same day promoting other people's meme pages, you probably don't want to do that because people are obviously going to go in there and they're going to see the first one, maybe follow it, maybe follow the second and third, but if it goes on to 5 and 6, they're just going to X out of the story, probably unfollow the person who posted the ad, and definitely not follow you. So if someone's posted 1 story that day, I'd recommend you can go ahead and pay them and just say, can you post it in like 6 more hours, or you can schedule promotions for in advance as long as you don't think they're gonna forget it, or you can just wait and do it then, because if you buy one and then schedule it for later, they probably won't do another one before you, and then you can save your spot. So make sure you just watch out for how many shoutouts you post and how many shoutouts other people post. And the next tip is probably to not make your meme page private as soon as you make it and start getting followers. I know you're just gonna go ahead and type in the comments,
"Oh Ethan, 99% of meme pages are private, that's how they gain followers from story shares."
And you're probably correct, because people gain a lot of followers from being private, and eventually you are going to want to be private. I'm not going against it, but at the beginning, before you pay for promotion, you guys don't want to be private. And what you want to do, you want to go ahead and do some follow for follow on other meme pages and other theme pages that kind of post the same thing as you. And then once you get to like 200, 300 followers and you start looking more genuine, then you want to go ahead and make a seductive bio and then make your account private. So what you want to do is just lure people in with your bio and make something telling them that you posted something, and then make your account private. And that's when you start paying for promotion and pay people to go ahead and go onto your page and then they'll follow you because they see what's in your bio and they actually think it's real, and you can just trick people or quote unquote clickbait them into following you. So it's been a pretty short video. That's been the most tips I'm gonna do for this video. If you guys want me to make it a series, I definitely will. If this video does well, I'm gonna go ahead and make a couple more in this series, giving you guys the best tips for your meme page and how to grow as fast as possible. But if you guys like these tips, make sure you use them and apply them to your meme page. Like and subscribe, and I hope you guys have a good rest of your day. Hopefully your meme page grows and gets bigger. Make sure you guys DM me on Instagram with your success stories and with your meme page, and I'll go ahead and check it out for you free of charge. And that's been this video, and I'm out. Peace out.